This is Stanley. He says I'm no longer the screamer. I'm the good boy. He's just screaming because I put him in a crate. He got mad. Yeah. He got mad. He's a sweet boy. Yeah. He thinks I give milk. He says, you give milk. You know you do. You know you do. He's a good little boy. You're going to be just the size of your mama. You're going to be a good little boy. Look how sweet he is looking me in the eye. You're a good little boy. He's going to have a great temperament. You're going to have a great little temper, aren't you? See? You're going to be a good boy. Did I get that foot? There we go. Alright, there's Stanley. See? I like you. Oh, look you. No, you don't want no lipstick on? Look how sweet he is. Oh, Stanley. Stanley. Got nice big nose holes. Your body's even tight right now.